Alright, theoretical probability is the ratio of number of equally likely outcomes in an event to the total number of possible outcomes. Equally likely is the outcomes that have the same probability, and fair is when each possible outcome of an experiment is equally likely. So, Andy has 20 marbles in a bag. Of these, 9 are clear and 11 are blue. Find the probability of each event. Write your answer as a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. So, the other day when we were doing experimental probability, they gave you a fraction to fill in. Today, theoretical probability, they give you a fraction to substitute in for. Okay, and our fill in the blanks are the number of favorable outcomes, what you want to happen, over the total number of possible outcomes. So all the possibilities. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to find the number of clear, because it says find the probability of each event, and this already tells us clear. So we want to know the number of clear marbles, because that's what our favorable outcome, that's what we want to draw, over our total number of marbles. So there are 9 clear over the total. Well, there were 9 clear and there are 11 blue, so that is 20 total. Okay, so 9 over 20. Now, we can easily make that into a decimal and a percent, because 20 can be multiplied to get to 100. And we multiply 20 times 5. 9 times 5 is 45. And that means this right there is the percent, and then we move the decimal 2 places left to get the decimal. So the theoretical probability of drawing a clear marble is 9/20, 0.45, or 45%. There are 13 boys and 10 girls on the track team. The name of each team member is written on an index card. A card is drawn at random to choose a student to run a sprint, and the card is replaced in the stack. So, we have the theoretical probability of drawing a boy's name. That's what they're asking us to find. So the favorable would be boys, because that's what we're looking for, over the number of members on the team. So, the number of boys on the team are 13, and the total number is we take 13 plus 10, and we get 23 total numbers. So it's just 13 over 23. And you don't have to change that into anything else because it doesn't ask you to.